Hello guys and welcome to this video. We're gonna go over the steps that we follow in order to set up the Vision6 app from our workflow apps within your sub account and connect it to your Vision platform, and more importantly start executing actions directly from your workflow. So let's get started. Inside your sub account, you go at the app marketplace to search for the app marketplace Vision6. There you go. We click on it. We go at install, allow install. Key. So in order to do it, we just have to switch to our platform. Let's do it right away. We go here, we go at integrations and then API keys. We can create a new API key. We do it here. Find something here. We say my API, full access. We create. There you go. We got it. Copy key. Switch back. Paste. We continue, and the tool is successfully connected, and we can start executing actions right from the workflow. On the next video, we're going to go over all the actions that we have inside the workflow. So guys, if you ever have any questions, feel free to reach out. We have a very dedicated team who's also available 24/7 to answer to all the questions. If you did enjoy this video at some point, don't forget to give some thumbs up. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Thank you for watching.